Guys, welcome to another vlog, and I think this is a long overdue vlog kasi ito yung updated na lounge access natin with your Philippine credit card, both for local and even international credit cards. Now, I have a previous video, I can put it here or here man yan. Dati, shinoot ko na siya and medyo in-explain ko everything. But now, mas madali ko na siyang ma-explain sa inyo because I will have infographics. These infographics, you can always find it on my Facebook page, my TikTok account, my Instagram. Lahat po, lagi ko pinopost yan and lagi po siyang libre kasi alam niyo naman guys, ganito ko kayo kamahal. More than anything else, yun talaga yung gusto ko gawin eh. I like to share these things. I don't like to gatekeep these things as well. Again, this video is as of whenever I'm shooting it currently, which is November 2024. So, guys, baka there might be changes maybe in the coming months, pero so far, I believe wala pa masyadong big changes that will happen because lahat ng mga changes nag-change na or already happened in the previous months, diba? Nagkaroon ng maraming rigo doon last June, July, and then just recently, ang dami rin nangyari with like international lounge access as well. So, for this video, guys, lahat ng pag-uusapan natin will be international lounge access or international terminal. So lahat naman nasa domestic, hindi po natin siya pag-uusapan sa video na to. I personally believe kasi pag international, ang pinaka-importante rin naman talaga magkaroon tayo ng lounge access, especially sa NAIA. Because guys, mas konti yung shops natin doon, but I believe, di ba, with the new management, baka naman dumami yung mga shops natin, di ba? Let's see. Let's begin. For the first lounge that we're going to talk about, this will be the PAGS lounge. Sa PAGS, guys, meron ka both sa NAIA 1 and you have sa NAIA 3. And PAGS sa totoo lang will have, or for me basically, is the biggest that I've went to. Siya yung mas malaki, siya yung mas maraming pagkain, siya rin yung mas maraming credit card partners. But yes, medyo siya rin yung laging puno rin. So it depends. Paminsan you will have waiting time depending on gano'ng kakaaga na sa airport, diba? Paminsan naman kung maaga ka rin, baka wala rin naman tao, then can always go in and enter. So PAGS lounge, usually nasa 24 hours to. And then definitely I'll give you the cheat sheet here as well. So if you're going to see, I'm going to put the cheat sheet here. So guys, this is the access for PAGS NAIA 1 and NAIA 3 International so far. So if you're going to look at it, in unlimited lounge access for both you as a card holder at saka sa isa mong guest. So whoever man guest na yan, pwede mo i-access. So for example, if I have, let's just say, this credit card that you have the BPI Visa signature na credit card, or you have the RCBC credit card, or BPI Visa signature na, gulong Jack Reyes, diba? All you have to do, guys, is make sure that you have, ganito lang yan, you have your credit card with you, and then you will also have your boarding pass. So dalawa to ipapakita nyo kasi doon sa PAGS lounge pagpasok mo. Usually, they will also swipe 1 peso sa credit card mo just to be able to confirm if the credit card is active. Now, may videos rin ako dito na pwede ipakita sa inyo. Maybe after, ilalagay rin natin siya in between. Now, for the PAGS lounge access, unlimited access for you and your guests, so the card holder and the guest, you have the BPI Visa signature, or you have the American Express Platinum credit card, you have your RCBC Diamond, you have your RCBC Platinum na MasterCard, you have your RCBC Visa Infinite, you have your RCBC Diamond Union Pay, you have the RCBC Visa Platinum or the Preferred Air Miles as they call it, your RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege, your RCBC Platinum na JCB, your Hexagon na RCBC Priority na World, your RCBC World MasterCard, and the Zalora MasterCard. All you have to do is just show it, show your credit card with your boarding pass, and you can have one guest there as well. And then for other credit cards na NAIA Terminal 1 and 3 din, meron to sa domestic ng Davao at saka Puerto Princesa, you have your Union Bank cards. Now, for card holder only, meaning ikaw lang as a card holder ang may access, both NAIA Terminal 1 and 3 PAGS, guys, you have these cards. Your Union Bank Miles Plus. The Miles Plus here, guys, is the old Union Bank Miles Plus. This is not the Union Bank Miles Plus na previously known as your City Premier Miles. Iba po siya. So, it is not the same. Then, Union Bank Visa Platinum, your Union Bank Cebu Pacific Platinum Visa, your Union Bank Visa Platinum, your Union Bank MasterCard Platinum, Union Bank Gold Visa, and your American Express Explorer, Security Bank World MasterCard, and the Security Bank Platinum MasterCard. Guys, remember that if it is a card holder lang yan, meaning ikaw lang at hindi po wala kang guest na pwede isama. If ever may gusto kang isamang guest, you will have to pay the one-time fee doon sa Pags yun. And then, you also have for unlimited free lounge access for the card holder only, it is your AUB Platinum credit card. And then, limited lang siya to one access per year, which is your BDO Diners. And guys, for the BDO Diners Club naman, you have one access for every year. And then, the BDO Diners Club naman na Premier, you have two access for year. Ganun po siya for Pags. Now, for Pags, guys, if ever, nakasulat rin sa website nila, kids under 8 years old may enter for free. Maximum stay mo is 3 hours per time. And then, 24 hours rin ang iyong Pags Lounge access. Guys, this cheat sheet, a lot of you might be asking, and syempre, mag-message kayo dyan. If it doesn't look like this yung credit card nyo, guys, hindi po siya kasama. Let's go with Marhaba naman. Si Marhaba, usually katabi rin ni Pags yan. Mas maliit lang siya. And then, hindi po siya laging 24 hours. Per website nila, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Friday, 24 hours. And usually, nasa 7 AM hanggang midnight nag-close sila dito. And then, children under 2 years old may enter for free. And then, maximum stay mo is also 3 hours for this one. Now, for Marhaba naman, this is the most updated as of September 1. So, you have the free unlimited lounge access for the card holder, meaning ikaw lang as card holder. The same rin yung process nila. Pakita mo yung credit card with your boarding pass and then sign the paper. They might charge 1 peso just to make sure that active yung credit card mo. It is the Union Bank Miles Plus, the Union Bank Go Rewards Platinum, Union Bank Cebu Pacific Platinum, the Union Bank Visa Platinum, Union Bank MasterCard Platinum, Union Bank Gold Visa, the Union Bank Debit na Visa Platinum, your AUB, guys, na Platinum MasterCard, Security Bank World, and then Security Bank Platinum as well. So guys, free lounge access to, unlimited lounge access ka naman dyan, but again, for the card holder only. You also have other cards that you can access. You have the BDO Diamond na rewards, guys. You have 6 access every single year. This is the Diamond rewards mo, yung parang reward card to, diba? And then the East West Priority Visa Infinite to. Guys, you have 2 access every year. Card holder only rin to. And then guys, for card holder only to, your BDO Diamond rewards, ito hindi man siya credit card, pero if you have this, you have 6 access per year, then you can share your access as well to your guests, diba? So walang problema. And then you have your East West Priority, 2 access per year. And then the BDO Diners, it's the same. 1 access per year for the usual card. And then for the Premier card, you have 2 access per year. So pwede mo siya gamitin either doon sa Pags mo or gusto mo siya gamitin dito sa Marhaba mo. For me, Marhaba is also good. Mas hindi siya crowded. Sometimes mas konti yung mga tao na sa loob. But syempre, your food there, medyo mas konti rin lang. Hindi siya as vast. Hindi siya ganong karami lang. Yun yung for Marhaba. And then, of course, last but not the least, the newest lounge that you have that recently opened is what we call the A Lounge. So for A Lounge, free unlimited use ka. Konti lang merong credit cards na to, which is your Security Bank World and then your Security Bank Platinum. This one is unlimited for your card holders. Wala siyang free guest access. So ikaw lang talaga siya. But a lot of the partners rin can access the A Lounge with Priority Pass, Lounge Key, and Dragon Pass. So guys, yun yung mga nasa local lounges natin here na nasa international side ng airport natin. So you have your Pags, your A Lounge, and the Marhaba. Both na NAIA 1 and NAIA 3 meron siya, and lahat yon yung mga credit cards na pwede. Okay, so gagawin natin to, lahat ng mga airport lounges mo in NAIA 3 for this video. For an updated one, kasi alam ko sobrang tagal na yung last ko. So after security check, you will have and you'll see your airport or airline lounges. So you have all the airline lounges on the 4th floor pag nasa NAIA 3 ka. Pag NAIA 1 ka naman, guys, same floor siya with all of the different gates. And then, just follow the sign hanggang umakyat ka sa airline lounges, which will be on the 4th floor. And then, ito siya. Dito siya sa likod, guys. Okay, and then you'll see all of your signs, airline lounges. And sa NAIA 3, you have 3 airline lounges for your credit cards. You have your A Lounge on the left, then you have Marhaba at saka Pags on the right. So guys, ganito siya ha. So pag papunta ka sa left, diretso ka, that will be A Lounge. And I'll show you all of the different credit cards that can go into A Lounge, pero it really depends on anong meron ka. So that's one. On the flip side, syempre, papakita ko naman sa inyo lahat ng nasa kabila. So, sa kabila, when you're going to enter, you will have your Cathay Pacific. That's the first. And a lot of people would ask, sa Cathay Pacific ba, paano ka pumasok? That's really a business class lounge, first class lounge. Lahat ng One World na Emerald at saka Sapphire. And then, you have Silver Chris. For Silver Chris naman, this will be Singapore Airlines. This is for Star Alliance Gold and up, business class for Singapore Airlines. So, yun siya. I'll run down all of the discussions naman. I just need to go and see kung ano yung mga ibang lounges na may availability for this morning. Baka kasi punuan usually ang Marhaba or punuan rin yung Pag, so it really depends. Oh my gosh, magbago! So excited for that. Okay, then you will have Marhaba here. Guys, I'll show you anong mga accepted. And then last but not the least, pinakadulo will be your Pags. But it depends kung meron bang access rin si Pags here. Cute, diba? Pupuno yung Pags. Makupuno rin yung Marhaba. Let's go to A Lounge. I usually stay in A Lounge na rin. So, I'll show you kung paano siya gagawin. All you have to do, go in and then show your cards. Now, let us talk about Priority Pass, Lounge Key, and if ever you have MasterCard Travel Pass and you also have Dragon Pass. Guys, ang mga to, these are parang membership na may mga international lounge access. So for example, Priority Pass, Lounge Key, MasterCard Travel Pass, and your Dragon Pass, yung mga to, binibigyan ka usually ng some of your credit cards membership access, or some credit cards might also provide you free access every year naman. All you have to do is just register. Now, Marhaba, Pags, and even A Lounge, they are partners, so pwede mo gamitin yung mga MasterCard Travel Pass mo, pwede mo gamitin yung Priority Pass mo, pwede mo gamitin yung Lounge Key mo as well to access this lounge. So guys, if your credit card just gives you membership to these lounge membership platform, don't forget na you will pay kada lounge access mo. It ranges from $27 up until $33. For me, medyo hindi siya sulit if you're just going to use it locally. Pero internationally, baka pwede. Pero syempre, dun tayo sa mga credit cards with free international lounge access through either of these mga partners na yan. And now, isa-isahin ko with you guys kung anong credit cards yung mga meron na yon. Okay, let's start off with my favorite one. Ang pinaka-favorite ko recently will be your MasterCard Travel Pass, as they call it. This is quite new, but a lot of credit cards in the Philippines are slowly transitioning and nakikita ko marami na nag-access. And ang kagandahan dito, marami yung binibigay nila. Now, I have the cheat sheet here as well and you're going to see it. The most international lounge access na credit card that we currently have is the East West Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer World MasterCard, which gives you 10 lounge access every single year, and you can share this access to your friend naman if ever you want. Followed by your Security Bank World MasterCard naman, which gives you 6 international lounge access via the MasterCard Travel Pass. Then, the East West Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer Platinum, which gives you 4 lounge access every year. Followed by your PNB Mabuhay Miles na World MasterCard, which gives you also 4 lounge access every single year. Then, you have the Security Bank Platinum MasterCard, which gives you 2 lounge access. Metrobank World, which gives you 2 rin. And then, the Bank of Commerce credit card na MasterCard World rin siya, which gives you 2 access per year as well. Now, you also have charge access here, which is the China Bank Destinations World, China Bank World, China Bank Dollar na World, and the China Bank Destinations Platinum. Then, you also have your HSBC Premier na MasterCard na World, but ito per access niya nasa $32. So, medyo hindi siya sulit. If ever you want to register or you have these credit cards, you just have to simply register via the MasterCard Travel Pass na app. Guys, sobrang simple lang yun. You have to access it. I have videos of that previously read. Madaling-madali. You have to enter your card details lang and then afterwards magkakaroon ka na ng QR. So this is the MasterCard Travel Pass na app, guys. And when I log into this, then you will see here your card. You can have multiple cards. So for example, I do have multiple cards here na pwede kong gamitin. I can register it all in the MasterCard Travel Pass app kasi nandito naman siya. Ayan, meron siyang mga cards. May multiple cards ka dyan. You can see it here. And all you have have to do is just go and look for a lounge. So if ever gusto mo pumasok sa isang lounge, you can enter your lounge for free here. 4 na lang yung meron ako dito because nagamit ko na siya. And then you just have to show your QR. So pwede mo ma-search yung mga lounge mo dito kung anong lounge gusto mong i-access, saang airport ka may lounge. And then afterwards, you can just click on enter lounge, diba? If you want enter lounge. And then ipapakita mo lang yung QR pagdating mo doon sa harapan, whoever yung lounge partner nila. So it will just show you the card and then may QR siya dito. Show it together with your boarding pass and that's it. The same process rin siya with Priority Pass, Dragon Pass, and Lounge Key. Now, let's go with Lounge Key naman. Sa Lounge Key, guys, meron kang complimentary lounge access. Now, a lot of these cards, naka-JCB siya. So you have your RCBC Platinum JCB, BDO Platinum JCB, East West Platinum JCB. You have 8 free lounge access every year, but it is limited to 9 countries lang. We'll put the countries here ng partner ni JCB Lounge Key. Usually, nasa Asian countries siya, pero let's say Thailand, lagi ako nandiyon, ito yung ginagamit ko kasi sayang, di ba? Lounge Key lang naman siya, pwede mo gamitin. I'll show you for Lounge Key paano rin naman siya. This one, guys, Lounge Key, it's the same. You have to download the app, create your account, and then once you create your account, you just have to show the QR rin as well. Lahat po to done via your app. Pwede ka mag-register via app. Make sure that you have your credit card. Ganun ko ginawa for the JCB Platinum that I have. And now I am logging into Lounge Key para makikita nyo. And guys, ito po yung Lounge Key that I have. You have your QR here, you have the expiry date as well, and then I can access the mga lounges that I can go enter for free. So if ever you can enter the lounge access, pag nag-search ka ng isang lounge mo, nakasulat dyan view card, pwede kang pumasok doon sa lounge na yan. If ever wala, paminsan sasabihin naman nila na hindi pwede. For example, di ba, if I'm going to Bangkok, alam ko meron lounge access dyan. I can see na nakasulat dyan view card. And then I'm just going to scan, papascan ko lang sa kanilang card na to, yung QR ko, and then pasok na ako diretso. So that's for Lounge Key. And guys, cheat sheet ko for the JCB, kung ano yung mga lounge na meron siya, dito rin siya. Also, the JCB Platinum credit cards, guys, will have lounge sa JCB lounges sa Japan. Ang kagandahan nito sa Japan, free naman talaga siya, diba? But the problem is, guys, sa Japan, don't forget, you have 6 free lounge access every single year, diba? For both your platinums at for your gold sa Japan JCB lounges to. But walang pagkain doon. Usually, ano lang siya, mga kape or even tea, ganun. But okay lang, at least medyo nakaupo ka sa magandang area. I'll also have a video here as well for you to watch para makita mo rin yon. And last but not the least, definitely let's go with Priority Pass. So these are the credit cards with Priority Pass access. So you have your Union Bank Reserve card, which gives you unlimited access and you can share it to 4 guests per visit. You have your East West Priority, meron kang 4 na lounge access. You can share it with your guests. The BDO World Elite, you have 10 free lounge access, and then 4, you can share it with your guests. And then you have your BDO Platinum MasterCard and you have your BDO Titanium MasterCard. You have 2 lounge access as well here. Sa mga BDO, guys, you have the websites that you need to access or you have to register to get your Priority Pass. Guys, I have that video previously rin naman. Pwedeng-pwede nyo yung tingnan yun. Nasa website lang yan ng BDO. And then, the free lounge access for every minimum spend. Ito yung parang kailangan mo muna gumamit, kailangan mo mag-spend muna para ma-waive yung lounge access mo. This will be your RCBC Visa Infinite. You have your RCBC World, your RCBC Preferred Air Miles of Visa Platinum, your RCBC Hexagon World, and this is a minimum spend of 70,000 pesos or $1,500 or else mag-charge ka ng $27. So parang medyo, my gosh, di ba? International spend mo, dapat gamitin mo yung credit card niyan para ma-waive yung lounge access mo niyan. For me, guys, yung mga ganito, hindi ko siya gusto kasi parang gagamit ka pa para lang ma-waive, tapos kung hindi mo na-waive, mag-charge ka, so parang edi wag na lang, di ba? But again, this is my personal opinion, pero if ever you have these options, if ever you want it. You also have the BPI Platinum Reward, siya lang yung meron ito. 30,000 pesos spend yan. Yun yung purchase mo internationally, then pwede siya ma-waive. Or the East West Platinum, kay East West Platinum naman is 100,000 pesos, di ba? Para medyo mataas. And the BTO Platinum na Visa, it is minimum spend of 50,000 or $1,000 or else mag-charge ka ng $25. And usually, guys, lahat ng mga spends na to should be international spend or travel spend as well. May mga fine print sila. Oh, one last, meron pa pala Dragon Pass. Sa Dragon Pass, this is sa Premier Miles mo. Hindi ko na nabanggit to. Sa Premier Miles mo na Citibank previously, and currently, even if nasa Union Bank na siya, yung Miles Plus mo, guys, pwede pa rin ma-access yan. You still have 2 lounge access every year, and then you will still use the Dragon Pass mobile app. And guys, ang Dragon Pass mobile app is still the lumang Dragon Pass mobile app. You can still access, ang alam ko, ang Dragon Pass partner, Marhaba, nasa Pilipinas yan. That is for your Citibank Premier Mass. Okay, ang haba ng vlog na to, ang dami ko na nabanggit. Final remarks ko for this video. So whenever you do have this, you have free lounge access, for me, gamitin natin siya. Kasi sayang rin naman siya. If you have the MasterCard Travel Pass, yung Priority Pass, Lounge Key, Dragon Pass, register kasi sayang eh. You can use it, just register an account, use your credit card, and then usually if you have your QR, okay na yon. Now, if ever you want to pay for your lounge access, go. By all means, go if ever you want to. Pero ako personally, dun ako sa libre kasi parang sayang rin naman siya. And you can get credit cards out there, the travel credit cards that has these mga access sa mga lounge. And sa totoo lang guys, I always find myself going to lounge in Manila. Pero pag nasa labas ako or ibang country ako, I don't usually go to the lounge because I like going around the airport. Kasi iba eh, kung malaki yung airport especially, ba, ang dami mo pwedeng makita, ang dami mo pwedeng ikutin, mga anik-anik na bilhin, di ba? Or parang if ever gusto mo kumain ito, kumain ka niyan, diba? Ikot-ikot ka. That's me. That's how I travel. But again, it really depends on you as well. If you really wanna be efficient, you want to work, then definitely lounges are there. And what I love about it really makes, you know, travel easy, diba? I create these videos for you to be informed para gamitin niyo yung mga perks ng credit card mo. Kasi guys, sayang rin talaga. It's all there. Huwag natin hindi gamitin kasi let's maximize it. And alam ko, marami sasabihin sa akin na, Jack, dahil sa'yo kaya marami tao sa Pags. Guys, ito lang gusto ko sabihin. The world is so big, diba? I will never gatekeep stuff, diba? So, let's just share whatever we can. Let everyone enjoy the perks that they have in their credit cards. That's how it is. And ganun yung masaya. The more people that enjoys those perks, the more they see the value in it. Basta, again, guys, remember, kaskas wisely lang tayo, okay? I hope this video has been helpful. Alam ko medyo mahaba na siya, pero eto na yung updated video na yon. Lahat na yan, explain ko na lahat ng mga kailangan ko explain for you to get access for your lounge. Again, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.